In the vibrant halls of Afra K Fashion School, a new generation of designers, seamstresses, and tailors are shaping the future of Ghana's fashion. This week, a special workshop brought their dreams one step closer to reality. Through the Fashion Beyond Borders Exploring the Global Fashion Industry workshop, the students learned how to turn their ideas into global success. But this was just the beginning of their journey.
Today, I went through a lecture with Miss Shawnie Grant. She has poured out so much information about the fashion business and the fashion industry, giving us pointers on how to start our own brand and to create an actual team that can function.
This year, we are proud to announce the Fashion Beyond Borders Academic Scholarship Program. 2 students will receive a full paid scholarship to attend Afra K Fashion School in 2025. The future of mass production and global distribution is in their hands. The journey begins here.
I am motivated to start my own brand, be an entrepreneur, and use all of the information I have learned today to take over the world.